Hey guys, let me quickly show you how to make jollof base that will give your jollof rice the taste and the deliciousness that it deserves. So guys, let's jump right into the video. In here we'll have our ingredients, okay? So here is our onions and some of the sweet long pointed peppers and bell peppers all cut up, yes, and washed as well. All right, next one is our tomatoes. Okay, look at how it's looking. We've deseeded them already. All right, yes, so make sure you deseed your tomato. And if you look closely, you will notice that our tomato is not that much. Okay, here is our ginger and garlic. Everything is washed and cut up. All right, now let's move on. In a pan, drizzle in some little amount of your vegetable oil or your olive oil. Go in with a teaspoon of your dry thyme and 2 bay leaves, okay? Now we just added a teaspoon of cumin seed. Now we are going in with our ginger and garlic. Afterwards, you give it a quick stir. Guys, this is based on the quantity of your peppers and tomatoes. Just feel free to adjust these seasonings or those spices. So after frying for a minute, we are going in with our diced onions, yes. If you notice, I chopped everything in big chunks because we're going to be blending anyways. So there's no point slicing them or chopping them in smaller size. Now go in with your tomato and give it a stir. Please note, for you to achieve a very delicious jollof rice, you need this jollof base. And it doesn't require much tomatoes. Your peppers should be much, okay? I use only 6 medium-sized tomatoes, and look at how much of the peppers I use. That's to tell you, more of the peppers, the better, okay? All right, give it a nice stir. We've added everything, so it's time to stir it, and we're going to allow it to cook. Please do not add any water to it because it's going to cook and release its juice. All right, cover it, and this is us checking back after cooking for 2 minutes. Give it a nice stir. Now, can you see how it is looking? We're going to cook some more until it is more tender and soft than what it's looking like now, okay? Now we'll cover again and cook for another 2 minutes. Checking back, guys. Look at how it is looking. You can see the juice. We didn't add any water. You can see some water coming out of it, right? It is ready. You can continue cooking until it dries up. But guys, if it has little of the juice, it's still fine because it will enable the blending process. Now you're going to allow it to cool down, okay? Please allow it to cool down, okay, before blending. But I don't have that patience. I will just go straight and blend. Now, go on and pour into your blender just like you're watching me do. So guys, if this is your first time meeting me or coming across my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma, and you are free to call me IJ or Oma for short. Please be part of the family. You can only do that by subscribing. Hit that subscription button for me so you become part of us, okay? Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you. Let me also seize this opportunity to appreciate all my subscribers, both the newest and the returning. Guys, your girl is very, very grateful. Thank you, guys. Please keep up the good work. I am seeing the comment, the likes, the shares. I just want you guys to know that I am grateful and you all are amazing. All right, guys, let's continue. Now we are done transferring everything into the blender. The next thing is to blend. So you go ahead and close it up and fasten on your blender and blend to your taste. Could be smooth, rough, whichever way you want it. I will go ahead and blend it smooth, but not completely smooth. I still want some, some particles of it, not that completely smooth, just me. So you blend to your satisfaction. Another thing, if you notice, we do not use any pepper, hot pepper like Scotch bonnet. That is because I like using mine when doing the main cooking, but you can include yours, okay? All you need to do is just to add the peppers into the tomato and pepper mix and cook together, okay? All right, guys, this is what it is looking like after blending. This is the secret to tasty, delicious, and flavorful jollof rice. Do not sleep on this one if you love jollof rice like me. So now you go ahead and store it. Pour in a Ziploc bag or in a container and pop it into your freezer or your fridge. It's safe there. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.